said that elasticity is all about proportionality. So in order to be able to get very far with this, you've got to be able to work out a percentage change. Percentage changes, they go back to GCSE maths, and some of you will like them and some of you won't. Essentially, it's quite simple, and you kind of know how to work out a percentage change already. If I said that you've got 20 quid, and I gave you another 10, so that you had 30 quid, you kind of go, well, how much has that gone up by? You'd say, well, that's gone up by about a half, which is 50%. Or alternatively, if I said you got 50 quid, and I'm going to give you 55, most of you would intuitively know that that's about 10%. So why is that? What is it? What is it in each of these cases that makes something, X% or Y%? So all a percent means is, what something would be if it was out of 100. So a half is the equivalent. Well, we'd say that a half is 50% because 50 is half of 100. Or a quarter is 25% because a quarter is the same as saying 25 out of 100, and so on. So that's all a percentage means. So percentage change is saying, what fraction does something go up out of itself? Which is slightly weird, but I'll show you what I mean. So let's take our original. Let's suppose that we have a price, and that price has risen from £40 to £60. What we've got to say is, well, how much has that gone up by relatively? This obviously matters because £20 out of 40 is very different from if something had gone from £4,000 to £4,020. In the second case, that's far less significant. It's 20 out of 4,000, whereas in the first case, it's 20 out of 40. So all we've got to do is to say, well, it's gone up by £20 out of an original of £40. So that's gone up by plus a half. And to convert something into a percentage, all you've got to do is to multiply by 100. So that is a 50% increase. Suppose as a result of that, demand, what we're probably expecting to happen to demand is demand to go down. Suppose demand fell from 200 units a day to 150 units per day. Then all it says, well, how much has it gone down by? It's gone down by 50. But how much did it start by? Is 50 a lot? It depends on how many there were to start with. In this case, it's 50 out of 200, which is minus a quarter. Minus because it's gone down. So in this case, we multiply by 100, and that gives us minus 25%. And if this was our situation, going back to what we said a minute ago, this would be inelastic because price has gone up by 50%, but demand has fallen by less than proportional. It's only fallen by 25%. Okay, so to work out percentage change, it's really simple. All you have to do is find the actual change, and that's going to be either plus or minus. Divide that by the original amount, and the way in which people tend to go wrong here is instead of dividing it by the original amount, they divide it by the new amount. So if it's gone from 20 to 30, the original amount is 20. It's 10 over 20, not 10 over 30, which is what people tend to do. And then all you do is multiply by 100. And that's how you find a percentage change.